Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to solve this label.text error accept only str. Let me run the program. Now if I run this program now, it runs and it crash and it displays an error which is label.text accept only str, which is value error, which gives value error. So that's what we are going to be working on today. So let's get started. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. And please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So now what we want to do is that we want to make a program with KV Python whereby we make a ball bounce around the screen left, right, up, down, or whatever direction we want it to go. So but now we run this program. Now we are trying to run it. We run the KV program and it says value error, which is label.text accept only str. So what's the issue? Apart from that, we need to go right over here. Let's check from where the error started from. Okay, it says right over above this value error here, right over here, it says in our file, in our KV file, it shows us our main error. It shows us where the problem lies in the error. So it says around text equal to root.text, which is right over here. See it here. The same error right over here is equivalent to the problem lies within this side, and it's telling us that value error, which is label.text, with this label.text, it says it only accepts string value, and whereby maybe now what we want to do now is to display whenever the ball touches any part of the screen, it says ball bounce left, right, up, down, but it says, and we input, we do all those stuff, we work on it, and we put in, if the ball bounces left, right, you should display the text on the screen. So now the issue right over here is that now when we analyze our error root.text, it says the error is right, the problem is right over here, root.text. So right over here, let's come to our main.py file and go to this root. We should look for the class where it lies first of all, which is the ball screen class. So we come right over here, look for the ball screen class right over here. This is it right over here, the ball screen widget. So now we should check this root.text, and our text is equal to we wrote numeric is equal to numeric properties with bracket. So now here is the error. The error is that the reason why it says that you cannot value error, you label.text accept only str, because right here we are using numeric properties. The numeric property only deals with numbers and doesn't deals with anything like string, but there are other properties we can use instead of numeric property. We can use string property, and actually it's supposed to be string property. Your error might be different, but what your main issue is that you are trying to use you are trying to use an int for a string. So you change this now from numeric property to string property right over here. Any part of your script that has any kind of error similar to this, just replace, it's supposed to be str, and right over here you are trying to, when you are saying whenever the ball bounces left, it should display ball touch up in the screen, ball touches down, or whatever direction. So you are trying to translate an integer number to a string, which is impossible. So use something which is meant to be used. String is meant to be used for string, and numeric property is meant to be used for numeric property. So let's run it now and see this issue. So we run the program now. When it touch any angle, you say ball touches left, ball touches right, or whatever angle. So now, so what we've learned here is that if we are trying to display a text on the screen, we use string properties, and for that error not to display, and if we are if we are using numbers from 0 to 9, we must use numeric property with key. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to support PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.